Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Ruja Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we discussed activity number 3 of unit number 5, that is health and nutrition. So today, we are going to start with activity number 4. Activity number 4, know yourself. What really matters, though, is knowing yourself. You need to make responsible eating choices within the context of your preferences and lifestyle. What are your goals? Which food group do you like to eat? Which food groups are missing? Do you eat too much sugar, salt, and fried food? Which foods can contribute and what food can you eat instead? The locus of control rests within you to design the eating pattern for you. Eating healthy, taking plans and practice keep your balance. So here in this activity we are going to discuss that what really matters, what kind of things we must eat in our day-to-day life. We ourselves are responsible for the choices which we make in order to live our lifestyle. So what are our goals and what type of food we must eat, what we like to eat, which kind of food is missing in our meal which gives us nutritions. So, do we eat too much sugar, salt, and fried food? And which are the food that contribute and which contributors, and what food can you eat instead? So, here we are going to discuss that what are the particular nutritions which we call, what do they have for us in our body, and where do we get those nutritions from? So, let's see the food group pattern. First of all, let us see what are they called. The very first one is carbohydrates. Where do they what do they do for you? They give us energy. Where do we find them? We find them in sugary and starchy foods like potatoes, rice, cereals, pasta, bread, and some fruits and vegetables. So, the very first topic which we are going to see about nutrition is carbohydrates. They give us energy, they provides energy to do work. And where do we get those things from? We get it from the food like potato, rice, cereals, bread, and some fruits and vegetables. So the very next one is protein. Protein help your body grow and repair itself. We find them in meat, poultry, fish, dairy product, egg, and bean. So, what are proteins? Proteins are those which help our body to grow and repair itself. And we get those from poultry, fish, dairy products, etc. The very next one is fats. They provide energy and help in building. So fats are the those part of the nutritions which provides us energy and also helps us in building our body. You find them in dairy products, red meat, some poultry, and fish. So we get fat from the dairy products, red meats, poultries, and fish. The very next one is fiber. It helps you to digest your food. Fibers are those the food which we eat is digested with the help of fiber. We get fiber in lot of food like cereals, fruit, bread, and vegetables. The very next one is minerals. Iron is good for blood, calcium is good for your bones, and magnesium is good for your nerves. So iron which is good for the blood, and calcium is good for bones. We get minerals. Minerals are in lot of food but are especially in fresh fruits and vegetables. Vitamins, example vitamin A, B, C, D, and E. Vitamins are good for keeping your body healthy. They are good for skin, bones, and teeth. Vitamins are mostly found in dairy products, milk, egg, and butter. Also, they are found in fresh fruits and vegetables. So, here, what kind of food pattern we are following, what kind of food we must eat, and where do we get such carbohydrates, proteins, fat, fiber, minerals, vitamins? We must try to intake those food in order to keep our body healthy. So my dear students, today we are at the end of the video. You can go through this food pattern once from your textbook itself. No need to write the same in your fair book. But yes, the question answers may appear. So I'll be sharing a PDF file in which the question answers for the same will be given. You can write the same in your fair book. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.